Well, hello there everybody. How's it going? My name's Hayley if you're new here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Next Beauty Happy Birthday Beauty Box. These come with a thing on the back that says to and from. Not all of them do, but I noticed this one did. And this one retails for £20 and it is worth over £79. So we slide it out and you're left with a box like that, and let's open it up. There we go. It looks nice, doesn't it? What should we start with? I am going to start with Pixi Retinol and Jasmine Flower Soothing Toner. Wow, I think I'm going to really like that. So this says youth in a bottle. This retinol tonic releases its youth-preserving properties over time to rejuvenate your skin and radiate a natural glow. Antioxidants and botanicals replenish your skin for a smoother and softer surface. So it says it's a retinol one, so I'm wondering, do you just use it at night? Shall I see if it says? This multi-action toner with time-release retinol also replenishes skin with potent antioxidants. Used daily after cleansing. Doesn't say to only use at night, but I thought you only use retinol at night. I guess there's not enough in it for it to matter, maybe. So it's got a little nozzle hole like that. And it doesn't have much of a smell, but it does smell a little bit. Shall I put a little bit on my hand so you can just see what it looks like? I hope I'm not glaring again. I'm trying to not... I don't want things to not be bright enough, but I don't want it to be glaring as well. Just wanted to see if it feels watery or if it's oily. I think there's something in there. It doesn't feel like water. And it's just got a slight smell. You can't smell the jasmine much at all. I can't smell jasmine, so I can't. Anyway, I'm always sniffing things. It's quite heavy, this box. So what have we got next? Should we have a look at this candle? It's heavy. This seems like a good size. It says it's 70 grams and it's Nuxe. Do you know what? I got it confused with Rituals. I've never had a Nuxe candle. So there it is when you open it. Oh, I can smell it from here already. So there's what it looks like. So it says Rive de Miel. That smells really nice. And it says having a relaxing soak, reading a book or getting ready to go out, light this candle for an ambient glow and a fragrance as sweet honey. Yum! As sweet as honey. Fragrance as sweet honey. I think that's meant to be as honey. It does, that smells like honey. So nice, very nice candle. And I like that it comes in a box, just in case you want to give it as a gift. It'll make a lovely little gift, wouldn't it? So I'll keep that in there until I want to burn it or give it to someone. So that's really nice, isn't it? Good size in here. So what have we got next? I keep thinking, is this this is a little sample they've put in here. I don't think this is in the... It's just a little bonus sample, I think. So, this is Good Fortune. And I think I might have had this before by Victor and Rolf. Elixir Intense. Oh, maybe it's a new one. And I had the original. And this is Intense. Maybe it's new. Look how dark it is. Well, let's pull it open. Sometimes it tells you the notes. Oh yeah, it says jasmine, super infusion, and then it says Madagascar vanilla and Palo Santo accord. It says fragrance with no animal derived ingredients. And there's what the full size bottle looks like. Let's have a smell of it. Have I got any perfume on? Oh yeah, I've already got some on. Let's just waft it in the air and see what it smells like. Yeah, I can use that. It smells nice. So I'll have a good time using that and see what I think of it. Because you can't really tell if you haven't got it on your body. Can I smell vanilla? I can smell musk. Is it like a musky smell? I think. But it does smell nice. It doesn't smell like one that I don't like. So I'll see what that's like on me. So thanks for the little extra. This is a little extra, isn't it? We take this one out at the back. Beautypro Squalane Mask, full size. It says, treat yourself to 15 minutes of me time. This anti-aging mask contains a formula of olive, passion fruit, organic sweet orange and almond oil, which work together to boost collagen, nourish and revitalise skin and relax. It sounds like it's going to smell gorgeous, doesn't it? So this is a sheet mask. I thought it was gel in there for a minute, but there's a sheet in there. That sounds yummy. And you put that on for 15 minutes. Natural plant ingredients, paraben free, award winning, and it's a British award. So on the back it says that squalane encourages collagen production, while olive and passion fruit extract increases hydration and revitalises to give a natural glow. Yeah, I think you apply that to your clean face because it's got all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on there. So I think she's washing her face, and then you put it on and leave it for 15 minutes and then take it off. And I'm guessing you just leave it on. You know, you don't have to wash the residue off, I shouldn't think. Probably just rub it in. Let's try this little guy here. Philosophy Cleanser Purity Made Simple, 30ml, and that's a deluxe size. And it says, want to feel fresh-faced? This beautiful cleanser gently removes any build-up for a refreshed complexion. This oil-free formula banishes shine as you're left with a beautiful matte finish. Right up my street, that is. I like a matte finish because I've got oily skin. So One Step Facial Cleanser refreshes with meadow foam seed oil. I'm going to open it up and have a smell. You can, it has got a little flip top lid. But I'm just going to open it. It's sealed, but I'll undo it because I'm going to use it. Okay, I've peeled it back a bit. Oh, it doesn't smell sweet or anything. It just smells, it does have a smell, but it's just a clean smell. It's refreshing and clean smelling. So I'm going to try that. Very nice. It's got a little cleanser. I bet you get quite a few uses out of that actually, because I've got one out of one of my Look Fantastic boxes and it looks about the same size as this, and I'm still using it. I've been using it for quite a while because I only get like a little, like a 5p size dollop there, and that'll do your whole face and neck. Then what else have we got in here? Should we take this whopper? Isn't that pretty? That is a pretty bottle. So this is Korres. I think that's how you say Korres, isn't it? Is it Korres? And it's Greek. It says Grecian Gardenia Shower Gel, and that's 250ml, and it's a full size. This says Renewing Body Cleanser, a luxurious blend of aloe extract, proteins, and althea work together to maintain the skin's moisture, all while radiating a lush aroma of gardenia petals in a sweet mask. Let's have a smell of this. I wonder if this is sealed as well. Let's see. And I really like the smell of that. Oh, it's got a nice soft floral smell. It's very soft. And I don't know if you can see it in there. I think it's like a creamy colour. Is it? I don't know because the bottle's tinted. So it smells gorgeous though. Yep, happy with that. And that would make such a beautiful present as well, wouldn't it? What have we got next? There's still 3 things in here that I can see. What is this blue thing? Oh, I've just lost the lid. This is Bloom and Blossom. Little spray. Oh, I'm guessing this is a night spray. So this says Disco Power Nap Spray, 100ml, full size. And it says need your beauty sleep. When life gets busy, power nap anywhere with this relaxing spray from Bloom and Blossom. Sweet dreams. Gently fragranced with Sicilian lavender, ylang ylang and jasmine. Oh, sounds lovely. I like all of those, so let's have a spray. I love it. Why do I want to just douse myself in it? I do. That is really nice. Oh, I love it. Love it. And that's a full size as well. Made in the UK and vegan. That's nice, isn't it? A UK brand and it's vegan. Very nice. That's really made me want to look at more Bloom and Blossom things. Is it just sprays they do, I wonder? I think it might be. I'm not sure, but I'll be looking them up now because that smells gorgeous. Here's a little tiny little mascara from Benefit and it's called Roller Lash. I'm not going to open it because I have a lot of mascaras open now. So it's a little Roller Lash and it's 3 grams, deluxe sample. I think that's going to be worth getting on for a tenner, isn't it? And these last quite a while. I'm quite happy to have a deluxe sample mascara instead of a full size because they last long enough anyway, these little ones. If clump-free, curly, gravity-defying eyelashes are on your birthday list, we've got you covered. The Hook and Roll applicator catches every lash and coats them with a beautifully smooth formula. So there's that one. Every time I see a Benefit mascara, I get a little bit worried because I think, oh, is this going to be really hard to get off? But I'll probably just have to use this one, you know, with the oil, Lancôme. Is it? Yeah, by Facile. That'll get through it really easy. I think I was using, because I was using the their Real mascara, and I really like that bit on the end that's got all the bristles, so you can get the inner corner and outer corner really good. But the only thing was, I was finding it really difficult to get it off my eyes. But I think if I use something like this with an oil in it, it will make much lighter work of it. So I will have a good old go with that one and see what I think of it. But just to let you know, I think Benefit mascaras are extremely, you know, hard wearing. They don't smear or come off or wear down. They stay really good on your eyes and you have to use something really good to get them off. So I'll be using that to get it off. If I've still got it, might not have it by the time I open this. So yeah, there's that. And then there's one more thing in here, little nail varnish. And this is by Manicurist. Oh, it's just Manicurist. I thought it was called Manicurist Green. Why did I think that? So it's just Manicurist from Paris. And it says Active Shine Nail Polish and it's 15mm full size. And it says give your hands a little TLC with a polish that breathes vitality into nails, leaving a beautiful shine, all while strengthening and brightening from the first application. I'm going to put that on today because I've been filing my nails. I think I've already got something on there because they're a little bit shiny. I thought it had all come off, but I can see it's on there. But let's have a little go really quick. I'll put it on my thumb. So there's what it looks like. I can see a little shimmer in it. Oh, and it's got that classic nail polish smell. I can see shimmers in it. That is so pretty. I'm really pleased with that. It's got little tiny shimmers in it. I don't know if you can see. I'm not going to get too close to the camera because I just saw that glare on it. So I'm really pleased to have that. Oh, I can see all little tiny bits of glitter in there, but I don't think you can see it. They're tiny, tiny little shimmers. That is so nice. I'm really pleased to have that. And I think these are worth either £20 or around that mark. Keep thinking 19. So I love it. I love it. I'm going to wear it all the time. Enriched with beet extract and hexanol. What is that? Active Shine illuminates and strengthens nails. Its pearly finish gives nails a real boost of radiance. Use on bare nails. Apply 1 to 2 coats according to the desired result and let dry. Oh, I'm so glad I've got this box now. I don't know if you can see, can you see the shimmer in it? Wow, I'm really happy to have that. I think that is really, really nice. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. And I might have to buy it again. I love it. That's a good one to end on, wasn't it? So that was the whole box, guys. I think that was really good for £20. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.